Today, we're catching up with Unko E. Then I'll be heading into the depths, spearfishing some amazing fish to eat. And you already know Master Chef E will be cooking up some killer grinds. But first, Unko's tent fell down, so we gotta go fix him. So let's go check him out. Chee! Oh, Unks, what happened?
There's a lot of great things about the Ehukai that you can definitely completely appreciate because it's medicinal, just the salt breeze. But at the same time, if you get anything that's metal or mechanical, it will fail. 100% guarantee you, it'll fail. That's how this place is. So we gotta redo the tent.
So we bought all new fittings, and of course, this is a different size tarp pole. We happen to actually buy some new poles that fit these. So this is the pole we just bought. I cut a little 6-incher to fit into our new fitting, but it doesn't really quite fit. So I got to cut a relief cut and pound it in about 1 inch. Bouncy table.
Who made that table?
I made the table, okay? I made a bouncy table. What can I say? There we go. Now that I know it works, I'm gonna cut all of them. It's like, what, 20 or something? So let's get to it. You gotta use the Hawaiian hammer.
Oh, what we got going on over here?
It's the new alley. When our uncles come over, we cut the coconut branch and lift them up. But aside from that, the things say kind of low ride up. This is the tarp from the tent, then fall down. It's all good. I can still fit underneath. Stay dry for the evening. You gonna check out 2 more?
Only in Hilo, yeah, you get someone like that.
He thought I was Mr. Howley, so he asked her, who's this, your partner? I was like, yeah, girlfriend. So is he your boyfriend? And what did you say?
I said, I don't know, maybe, no. And then I kind of
You said, I don't know, maybe no?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Like, this girl's having a seizure right now.
Well, I bet I had plenty good jokes based on that.
It's because of his head, the light was shining.
Yeah, because the light was shining off my bald head, just glistening.
I've been waiting for you to be bald. How long, bro?
Duct tape in the palm prawn. Yeah, we don't even need the last tarp pole.
The old 3-prong down to a 2-prong, and it's all bent. What happened over here?
We reused this one and it bent right here, so we're gonna cut it right there and just stick some more in there. Ah, this is too good. 2, 3, yeah.
How long is that gonna stay there though?
30-year guaranteed.
I get to do the honors for the last pole.
So the coconut tree, as it grows, the tarp's gonna go up with it and get better over time.
Good as new. My mom donated a bunch of stuff, so we're gonna soup them up a little bit. Well, the boys are getting hungry, so they want me to jump in the water and go get them some fish for grind. I'm gonna take out my CT9, my gun, my float, and my tagline. So let's go check them out. Chee! I'm lying on my back on this big boulder and I got my legs dangling right in front of me and I spot a couple of papillos swimming by. That one right there is a pretty nice size, but I'm in no position to smash one. My CT9 is pointed in the other direction and the papillos are starting to swim away now, but I can sense they're not gonna go very far. So I spin around and I load them up and now the hunt is on. I see the smaller one straight ahead of me, but I'm trying to spark interest in the big boy in the back. The big boy spots my CT9 and he starts streamlining straight towards me. If you want a 3-prong or wetsuit like mine, go check out evolvediving.com. Use my promo code HEMA for 10% off your entire order. They got everything you need, plus more. I load this guy up on my belt kui and I take another droppy. I'm lying on the bottom and this Wahanui's coming in to sniff me out. He's getting a little close for comfort, so I flash him the CT9 and then he swims away. Or is he swimming away from a shark? So I peek behind me, but no manaten. So I put my focus back on this Wahanui. Normally these fish don't come within 3-prong range, but there's something about my smell. He just couldn't resist himself. I hit him kind of high and he breaks free. He starts swimming away, so I gotta close the distance and take another shot at him. I got a nice holding shot on him, and now we got Wahanui for Din Din. I add this guy to my belt kui, wrap him around my waist, and I bust out the gun skis. There's a couple of fat munus right there, a big ol' kole, but nothing that's screaming eat me. As I peek off into the abyss, I see something lurking off into the distance. I make sure no more sharks behind me and the coast is clear. There's a big old Moana collie, but she's definitely taking her time approaching me. I can tell she's a bit weary, so I'm gonna have to do my best to try and pounce on her and close the distance. How's the moo though, moving in to watch the show? I got a nice shot on her, and now all I gotta do is swim her back up to the surface. Beautiful Moana collie. Nice size too. As I'm going to brain her, I thought that was her tongue sticking out of her mouth, but it ends up being a tiny taco. How crazy is that? That was her last meal. It looks like she just ate it too because it's barely digested. I dropped this taco in hopes it'd bring in a nice big fat uku, but nothing came in. What a naughty collie this thing is. On my way in, I found this fishing lure stuck to the bottom. It's stuck on there pretty good. It's taking some finessing and finagling to try and get it out. But on the next video, we catch some good stuff with this thing. Unko, come check out the fish.
Oh, what's going on? Are you in squall?
Yeah, not bad, not bad.
Whoo! Yeah. What?
Not
Why
bad.
this collie bigger than the Omilu? Fat collie, wally. Look how big that bugger about.
Are you hungry? I got those on the tree prong and that on the gun.
Some collie munga garns. Unreal. I would say poor man's alpaca. It's like an alpaca, but it's not.
What you gonna do right now?
If I gotta cook, I'll fast kind, make sure I stay top shape. I get dirty fingernail. Some of this water is 10,000 years old, coming from the top of Mauna Kea, Mauna Loa. And we're right in the middle. As it pumps out, somehow it's just so refreshing. The ancestry behind the actual water. My name is E, that means water. This water is 10,000 years old.
We like watch you ow.
What? Don't like watch me? Oh, nobody. I know I'm a chicken samurai, you know what I mean?
What is that? You're a pihi picker?
Came from my ancestors. It's honua.
Oh, really? The shell.
Yeah, honua shell. I run them and I feel pride for our ancestry. With a bloodline.
I gotta go clean some fish, get them ready for the Din Din tonight. Uncle's taking a little snoozy right now. He wasn't kidding when he said he sleeps under this tent. Oh, there him. Oh, Unks, how was your nap?
I'm sorry, bro. Sometimes I'm just like on Naparella, you know what I mean? I wake up at 3 o'clock this morning and was up since then, so all kind of stuff went happen. My dog went stuck in on puka. We gotta bless the tent with the high Hawaii. High means to flutter as a flag does. The high Hawaii represents us like a bunch of manu. It's my modest hibachi, cast iron. The whole thing.
That's your new nickname, is the Wahanui.
Wahanui.
Tell him what Wahanui means.
Big Mouth. My mother used to call me Wahanui. But there's some good fish. The thing is, Ono.
What you gonna whip up first, Hunks?
So we're gonna prepare some of the kali. We're gonna sear the skin so that get a nice crispy outside edge. And that creates one killer texture. But at the same time, I gotta start to prepare some of the sauce for the umelu.
How's your spread right there, huh?
Oh, we lucky. We get all kind of blessings. You can take them out. How about I save that and put them inside one bottle, and then we can roger that bambaya. Grab the curry piece, throw them inside. Like, keep them moving for.
Oh, Bradamoto. Oh, what you got in the shirt there?
Some drive-by goodies,
You look like a kangaroo.
some vaivi, guava, and mamaki. You must have started it
The blue man pachi gang, yeah. Uts, 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 uts. Avocado oil. Get the bottom all coated. I gotta make one lift kit. 2-inch lift kit. Good enough. Oh, just like one Tacoma. Just a quick salad for the boys. This is katuk. I think it's Malaysian, and it has a very high protein content that is sought after by many farmers. Once you can throw these on.
Oh. Ready?
Action. A little bit more of the blue mampachi. This is Inamona from Bradatani Moto. Yeah, boys. These trucks, they broke.
Hibachi Kali.
Yeah, you.
It's perfect. Pa'akai from Kauai. Mahalo Kauai. Manokalani po. A few berries. Partial of this gonna go on a salad, and partial gonna go on a sushi.
Oh!
Hit them good.
3-pronged that. CT9.
The noni leaf for the medicinal value.
Here, one more. Lau lau.
First bite. How's the kaliwali?
You can taste the smoky flavor.
This is fresh. The rice is always killer. Auntie Noko makes the best rice.
It's half the reason why I want to marry her. She make good rice. I make good poi, she make good rice.
Oh!
Never have enough wasabi down for me.
Oi!
Oh, my god.
The nostril burning.
It's delicious. Grab the middle. Should I flip? Ats. Oh, the last one toe over there.
What is that for?
Get problems with the flies, huh?
Oh, yeah.
I love you, Bob.
Oh, that smells so good. Oh, the CT9 provides.
That's like the filet mignon of the fish.
That Thai sauce, Hunks.
You like that?
Oh, yeah. The cheek just melts in your mouth.
You can put them in a little bit pakai from Kauai. That was delicious, sir. Some pakai. I was doing the things uncles do. Sorry,
No,
I wasn't there
apologize.
for you. But at the end of the day, I will do anything for you.
Yes, sir.
I'm making plate.
Really,
The
Auntie?
salad over there, babe.
Oh!
Get all of the moana kali on top of that tua. Everything fresh. Babe, you
Moana.
should drink some of that. Get ready for tonight. Huts, huts.
Moana Nuya Kali. Oh.
I'm gonna make them better for you, Bob.
It's actually good.
Barack Obama.
Barack Obama. Broke them out. Let's go. Oh, I ate the freaking ulu. I felt like I like get all girthy, yeah.
Oh, you don't come to my house and make me one plate. I make you one plate.
No, I gonna make you one plate now.
No.
You made me one kill a plate.
I make you one plate.
Oh, another plate.
This is my house.
2 plates.
You don't serve me at my house. I serve you.
Steamed papilla on one noni blanket.
Pie.
Mmm. It's kind of like sweet, spicy with that pineapple and the Thai flavor. That pineapple though really adds to that Thai. Compliments to the chef right there. Chief of chefs.
Give me that spatula.
Lick the plate.
There's more fish.
Oh, give me
Just
fish.
eat more. It's like, look how much you get.
Bro, it's gone.
Eat.
Look at my plate. I'm pound.
Eat more. That's why you're skinny. We full maona. This was delicious. I hope other people out there can experiment and try different things. I know I like to. It's just eternal curiosity for what kind of flavors are out there. Aloha to you guys. Much mahalo, much love.